Hi, I'm Joe James, and in this video I want to talk about net neutrality. The last thing you want to see when you're going to a website is this site has been blocked by your internet service provider. The internet service provider should be just like a water company or an electric company that is providing a service to your home, and they should not be deciding what content you can and cannot get access to. That should be decided by you. They should merely be providing the bandwidth for you to use those services. Now, in a worst case scenario, and this is actually very possible, if you take away net neutrality, ISPs can charge you a service charge to access different sites. And in fact, if I were an ISP, the first thing I would do is I would ban all access to competitor sites, right? Any other ISP, I would just say, no, we block access to their site. And any sites that use a lot of bandwidth, like media sites, Netflix or video streaming or something, I would limit access to those sites, or I would charge a surcharge just for users to get access to those sites. So your pricing could be structured so that you're going to be paying all kinds of extra fees just to get access to all the sites that you use on a regular basis. And some sites could be randomly just blocked on a whim from your ISP. So without net neutrality, internet service providers could block access to any websites they want to. They could block your access to political sites because they're conservative and they don't want you accessing liberal websites or something, right? They could block access to any sites they want to, any media sites they don't like, anything. And they could throttle your bandwidth as well for certain types of content or certain websites. They could say, well, for Netflix, we're going to offer slower speed. They could also charge extra fees for some websites or from certain apps or certain device types. They could charge more. They could block some device types from even accessing some websites. Taking away net neutrality gives a lot of inappropriate power to internet service providers, which in many cases, internet service providers are already almost have a semi-monopoly in a lot of the markets that they serve. In a lot of cases, customers don't have a choice other than Comcast for broadband service. Giving them this type of power on top of already having a relative monopoly is just insane. So let's keep the internet free. Let's support net neutrality. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'm Joe James. Thanks for watching.